from the lobby of the Contemporary. We are starting our day off at Chef Mickey's without Mickey there. And we want to see how the food is working there since buffets aren't a thing and character meals mostly aren't. And then we're headed to Epcot. So let's go. So we have eggs and tater tots, and then a bucket of meat, and then waffles and pancakes. Okay, we're just finishing up our breakfast here. So for $25, not too bad, but there are no characters. So the food's nice. It's kind of fun to be in the building when the monorails are running through. Music like that's playing the whole time. So not too bad. I wouldn't go out of my way to come over here, but if you're staying here, I wouldn't hesitate to eat a meal while you're here. So now we are off to a park. Our time getting to Soarin', taking pictures and all kinds of stuff, and still there's almost nobody around. We didn't request it, but we got first row on B, so we actually get to see things correctly. Yay! Hey. No way for living with the Lands. Is loaded in every row, and there's that divider between each one, but last time we were here they did not do that. They let us spread out. Not a fan of that update. Wish they would go back to the old way, especially because there are no lines. We just walked out of the Land and Joy is out, so we're gonna go over and talk to her. So Joy was super cute, and she took time to meet with everybody that was along this railing right here next to Journey into Imagination with Figment. Last time we were here, Winnie the Pooh was not out, but we are waiting here because we are told that he is here today. So let's hope he comes out pretty soon. Winnie the Pooh just arrived. He has his butterfly net. He's creeping up. Alright, since we're here, let's ride Figment. No surprise. It has no weight.
To ensure your safe tour of our sensory labs, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet and legs inside your toy. I thought I told you not to interfere.
But you've got it wrong, Doc. It's not about listening with your ears. It's about listening with your imagination. One spark of light can light your fancy. Your mind sees more than what your eyes see.
We heard the cavalcade music, and you can see the Princess Cavalcade coming across the bridge. We're waiting in the UK for him. Hi, Phil. She's so beautiful. And now the not so bad walk to the back of the UK Pavilion to see if we can find Alice and Mary Poppins. Oh, there she is. Alice is on the stage. Thank you. And while we wait for more cavalcades or Mary Poppins, we're going to go into the Royal Show Place to have a little something to eat and drink and cool off. Love that they have live music. I think she normally plays at the Grand Floridian, and now she's at Epcot playing in the Royal Show Place. There are very few chairs in here, so we felt lucky that we saw some chairs and spotted it. I just went and grabbed us macaroni and cheese. I have the plant-based one and she has the regular one. I've heard the plant-based one is good, so I'm looking forward to trying it. We liked our cake pops the other day so much that we ordered the exact same ones this time. I got the M&M one and she got the Twix one, and they are so good. They're liquid nitrogen. It's like cake that they dip in liquid nitrogen and then coat with candy. Delicious. Our timing today has been so perfect. We just got back to the UK Pavilion again, and here comes Mary Poppins. Hi, Mary. Okay. You're quite beautiful. When we were coming back to the UK Pavilion, the kid cot station was set up, and instead of giving you part of it and then you go to each country to collect it, they give you everything in one kit, so you don't have to worry about that. So it's kind of all included. So that's kind of fun. But we have now finished everything that we set out to do, so we're gonna head back to the front of the park and head out. We're on our way out, but we heard the music. Can you guess which cavalcade's coming? Oh, you'll never see it. Hi, Elsa. Here comes Anna, rolling through in the carriage. We're following them out of the park, so we're part of the parade now. Ready? Wave at people. No one will be able to tell the difference. No one can tell the difference. See? There's Anna right there. It's almost like the real thing. from 6 to 10 p.m. Channel 74. The fireworks. You ready, Heather? Go. Let's go. Every step I take. We're back. It just stormed earlier, so we weren't sure if the outside was going to be open. They said it had been closed, but they actually came and wiped out down a table just for us, and now we have this space all to ourselves. They're so amazing here. I'm so glad we got to come back. Okay, food just got here. First of all, I have a Chardonnay, which is delicious. I got the lobster corn dogs, which I had last time, and I got them again because they're great. We both got the wedge salad. This is what we've been craving since our last trip. And then she also got the beef skewers. She has a shellfish allergy. We're at a shellfish restaurant, seafood restaurant, and she has a shellfish allergy. Anyway, so we know we like all this stuff. So we are excited to dive in, and the view's not bad either. Purposely made our dinner reservation so we could be here for sunset. It did not disappoint. So our dinner at Paddlefish was fantastic. It's our favorite restaurant in Disney Springs. There's a lot of good ones, but that one not only has good food, we highly recommend the wedge salad and lobster corn dogs, but they have good service. They cleared a table out for us, even though the outdoor space was closed and everything was wet from the storm. And the views, we love it so much. And now we're off to find some gelato to have for dessert. So instead of ordering dessert at the restaurant, we decided to head down here. The sun is just now setting, beautiful night, and have gelato at Vivally Ill Gelato. And they have the most ridiculous food. Look, so this is cookies, and you get to pick the cookies and the ice cream. And then she has a donut that has ice cream in it. I mean, it looks amazing. Guess what we're doing next? Going up there. He said, hang on, there's a little motion. Here we go. We're up high in the sky. Oh, look, there it is. There's our ride. It's so beautiful. Here's the ultimate panoramic of the whole Disney Springs area. Cirque du Soleil building. See? Okay, that's Saratoga Springs. Okay, the boathouse is down there. There's Paddlefish. There's where we had dinner. And then the parking garage. Amazing. All right, here's the interior view. That's Maria and Enzo's restaurant at the base. Okay, so that worked out really well. It's $20 per person. The timing worked out where we were the only ones on it. Heather is generally scared of heights, but how was it?
It wasn't bad at all.
Very smooth. It was like 8 minutes. They take you up. You get to kind of linger for a little while, and you come down. Easy peasy. I'm so glad we did that. What a perfect way to end this trip. We are headed back to our car to go back to the hotel, and we fly out tomorrow. So that is gonna be it for this trip. You'll have to subscribe to the channel to see what's next. Bye guys, thanks for following. You brought a stick there.